All right, everyone. So today, on April 10th, 2024, I've got some absolutely super interesting things to share with you. Some really exciting updates and signals. For those of you who follow my work, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. The very first buy signal that I want to bring to your attention, which I've been monitoring very closely, is for an asset called RSA. Now, as you can clearly see here, I've actually entered quite a significant amount, a rather heavy position, in spot trading at the price of 1.537. I did this just a little bit earlier this morning, as I was going through my usual routine of checking all the various tokens that are currently available and active across different platforms. And honestly, I must say, RSA really stood out to me as an absolutely superb choice, a truly promising opportunity in this current market landscape. We can observe right here on the chart I'm showing you that the very first time we issued a buy signal for RSA, as you can plainly see, it resulted in an astonishing 550% gain, which is just incredible, don't you think? And then on another occasion, when we had yet another buy signal right here, and I'll carefully mark it for you on point 1 for clarity, that particular signal led to an even more impressive 636% return. So you can understand my excitement and conviction about this one, because historically, it's performed exceptionally well. I've already entered my position, as I mentioned, at 1.537 in spot. And with spot trading, you can't really go wrong or get burned in the same way you might with other more volatile trading methods, which provides a certain level of security and peace of mind. So obviously, if we consider that buy signal, I actually entered right here, as you can see marked on. Bitmart is my preferred exchange for purchasing these tokens. After I buy them on the exchange, I then send them directly to my cold wallet or to a secure hardware wallet for long-term safekeeping, which is a crucial part of any sound crypto strategy. So if you'd like to trade alongside me, please know that there are already over 600 traders who are actively trading with me, following my signals and strategies. All you need to do is sign up. It's completely free, and it's a fantastic opportunity. You also get access to the platform itself, which is excellent. Plus, there's a generous welcome bonus of up to $10,000, along with other exclusive bonuses. For example, you get $20 just for opening an account, and if you deposit $100 in assets, you get an additional bonus on top of that potential $10,000 bonus. So if that interests you, please go ahead and do it. In addition to all of that, I will personally place you in my elite team. As I've already told you, we have 65 to 85 active traders in the community, and that number is constantly growing because of the consistent results we're seeing. So if you're interested in trading on the platform and you want to be part of an exclusive, supportive group, I'll also add you to my private group. The results you see there are real, tangible results achieved by people who are trading right alongside me, implementing the very same strategies we discuss. So if you're interested in trading on the platform, all you need to do is send me a message on Telegram right here, and I will personally add you to the team. Now, let's circle back to Tarot for a moment for some additional insights. As you've seen, the buy signals on the weekly chart, especially when the momentum indicator is very low, consistently represent prime opportunities to enter the market. And right now, we have exactly such an opportunity unfolding before us. Now, if you prefer not to take this particular buy signal right here, there's another approach you can consider. What you can do is simply wait. What will likely happen, as is often the case with these movements, is that it will come down here to the middle of the channel. It might experience a pullback and then potentially rebound from there, forming what we call a double bottom pattern. However, if you analyze the situation carefully, you'll see that this strategy would essentially result in a very similar trade, yielding more or less the same gain in the long run. Typically, when we employ this strategy, we take the gain on the second leg up, or the second bottom of the pattern. But when you're trading spot, it's a completely different technique and methodology altogether. Spot trading, is really like exchanging collectible sports cards with your friends. What I mean by that is you buy those valuable collectible cards, you hold on to them for a few weeks or perhaps a few months, allowing their value to appreciate, and then you sell them when they're at a higher price, realizing a profit. Trading perpetual futures, on the other hand,